Hi, everyone. Welcome to this presentation on Khan Academy Kids for our families and children at Nextdoor. My name is Mary Nell Ryan. I work in the professional development team. So let's get started. What we want to talk about today is what is Khan Academy Kids. We'll have a short demonstration and then walk through setting up your account. So your child and you can see what the teachers have assigned and other activities that will reinforce your child's academic success. So first thing to know, to get Khan Academy Kids, it's an application that you can get through the Apple App Store or on Google Play. When you search for Khan Academy Kids, make sure that you select this little green bear. There's also something called Khan Academy. That's not what we want. We want Khan Academy Kids, and you want to select that app with the green bear. Once you get that, this is the page that will come up first. If you do not already have an account with Khan Academy Kids, we're going to want to sign up. So you will click on Sign Up right here. The next screen that comes up is for the grown-ups to put in your email address. Important to remember, this is the email address that you use in communication with Nextdoor. So you put in your email address and click Next. The following screen will come up asking you to check your email to verify that it really is you wanting to set up a Khan Academy Kids account. Now, here's the truth. You may have to wait up to 5 minutes for this verification email to come through. We also suggest that if it doesn't come through, check your spam or junk email. If after 5 minutes it still hasn't come through, you can click at the bottom of this screen and resend the email. Honestly, most of our families find this to be the most problematic step in setting up our Khan Academy Kids account. Once you get the email, you just click Verify, and the following screen should come up. Yay, your email has been verified. Then we click Next, and now you're setting up the sessions for your child. You put in your child's first name, and then select your child's age, 2 through 7. You then are also asked to select an avatar, a picture that will have your child's name attached. We had a discussion about which one is a dinosaur, and I think we agreed that this big green guy down in the bottom is a dinosaur. There are others that you can also select with these backwards and forwards notes. So we've selected your child's age and an avatar. Then we are ready to go into Khan Academy Kids. So back on the landing page, now we click on, we already have a Khan Academy Kids account. Now, something important to remember, if your teacher has already sent you the class code, you can get directly into Khan Academy Kids, where we have the different assignments and activities that your teacher has assigned to your child. If not, you can still get into Khan Academy Kids by just clicking on Already Have an Account. I was mentioning the class code. This is information that your teacher will provide to you. And you have 2 different options for signing in to the class, using this alphanumeric class code or scan the QR code on your phone, on your telephone. That will take you right into the class. Here's a picture of what that landing page looks like. There's this big house in the middle. Up in the upper right-hand corner, you will see the avatar you selected for your child and your child's name. And then on the left-hand side, there's this picture of a book with a number in the heart. Couple of important points here. If there is a number in the heart on the library, that means that there's an assignment pending from your teacher to your child. But if there's nothing up there, your child can actually go right into Khan Academy Kids, and start playing around with different games and activities. They do that by clicking this big blue circle in the middle. And there are all kinds of games and activities and videos for age-appropriate work. But right now, let's take a look at the assignments in the library that are waiting for our child. We click on that library, on that book icon, and it comes up with a listing and menu of assignments. These are the assignments that were assigned during class. And either your child didn't get a chance to finish it all in class, or this is sent to your child to work on at home. And depending on your child's age, you may be helping them with that. So we have these different activities across the top. This is our menu: ABCs, 1, 2, 3s, reading, logic, and then we also have books and videos, opportunities to color and create, and work offline. But if we have an assignment from the teacher, up here in this first circle on the left-hand side, we see there's one assignment pending. But there are 3 activities listed here. And the reason that only one is noted as still outstanding is because sharing that assignment and counting 5 objects have already been completed. We know that because of the check marks. So counting 1 through 4 is the assignment that still needs to be done. We can also see the opportunities for practice at home, and this doesn't have to be assigned by the teacher. We can go into the library and select an activity off of these different menu items. Let's select ABCs and then lowercase letters, our characters. And what will come up is an activity page that is narrated for your child by the cartoon that's in the lower right-hand corner. So this is very much self-directed learning for your child. Depending on their age level and comfort with technology, you may not be asked to help your child get through this. The narrator will give them the directions. In this case, our bear would say, find the letter B, B as in baby. And then your child would click on that and they get immediate feedback on their success. So really, that's it. Using your device to select the Khan Academy Kids app. We're looking for that green bear. You can access it on a smartphone or an iPad or a tablet, and you're ready to go. Thanks for your time today. Best of luck.